Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 29. Which of the following is not equivalent to 3x minus 12 times x plus 4? So we write down 3x minus 12 multiply x plus 4. At first step, I would like to think about factor completely. Factor completely means you will factor everything out until you cannot factor anymore. Okay, so by looking at the first factor right here, 3x minus 12. 3 I can write down as 3 times 1 times x, that's 3x, right? And then negative 12 I can write down as 3 times 4. So they have in common of 3. I have factor 3 in common. Okay, so for the first term right here, I can factor out number 3. So we will have 3, and then that is outside, right? And then what left inside is when we take 3 out, we have 1x left. So 1x is equal x, right? So just x. Minus 12, when we take 3 out, we still left with 4. Right here, right? So x minus 4. Now we copy down the x plus 4 factors since we're not working on it. Okay? So we're done with that part right there, 3x minus 12. Now this one they call is factor completely. This step is factor completely part. After we factor completely, I try to see if I can make it something combined to make it somehow look like our answer choices A, B, C, and D, right? So we should break it down from the first factor 3x minus 12 into 3 times x minus 4. So we not distribute it back in, since if we do it, it go back to our original questions, our original expressions. So I will try to combine the x minus 4 and x plus 4. If you're familiar with the fact that we have a minus b times a plus b, that will give us a square minus b square. In our problem, we have x minus 4 times x plus 4. So we can rewrite it, make it equal x squared minus 4 squared. So our a in this case is x. A is x. B is 4. A is x. B is 4. Yes. So at the end, we will have equal x squared minus 16. Okay, so now we write down equal 3 times x squared minus 16. And notice that they're asking for the one is not equivalent. Equivalent mean the same. Equivalent mean equal to. Equivalent mean equal to. So which one is not equal to, right? So we find out that B right here is the same thing. So this one the same. So we say it's equivalent. But we try to find the one is not. So when equivalent to the expressions, the given expressions, we're not choosing it. Next, we will fill in, we will distribute that 3 inside to see what is the extensions for that expressions, right? So we have 3x squared. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. Then we have 3 times negative 16, that's negative 48. So now it's become the polynomial form. And we're looking at the answer choice. We have C, that 3x squared minus 48. So this one also equivalent. This is answer B. This is answer C. That equivalent, so we're not choosing it. We cross this out. Okay. Now we have A, D, A and D. So we go from the factor completely form to extensions of polynomial form. We find out we have answer B and C is equivalent to the given expressions. So now A and D, you can try to working on it. So let's try A, okay? So for A, we have 3 multiplied by x squared minus ax plus 16. We can distribute that 3 inside to see what happened. So 3 times x squared minus ax plus 16, that equal 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times minus ax is minus 24x. 3 times 16 is plus 48. And you see at everything distributed, we'll see that the distributed or the polynomial form is different from the given. The given one have 3x squared minus 48. See, we don't have the minus 24x, and the plus and minus is difference. This is the given. This is the given. Okay. So, and we see that answer choice A is not the same as the given one. So it's not. This one is different. So it's not equivalent. A is not equivalent. Okay. Now we can check for D. We can check for D. We have 3x times x plus 4 minus 12 times x plus 4. Okay, so if we see that we have the x plus 4 in common, right? The x plus 4 in common right here, the first term. The second term also have the x plus 4, so we can make it at the common factor. We factor it out. So we have that equal x plus 4, open parenthesis. When we take the x plus 4 out, we left with 3x. And then the next one is minus 12. So you see that it's only switch the positions, but because the multiplications have the commutative property, so you can rewrite it at 3x minus 12 multiplied by x plus 4. This will be the same. This will be equivalent. So this one exactly equal the given. Here the given 3x minus 12 times x plus 4. Yes, so this one is equivalent. All right. So we find out that only A is not equivalent to 3x minus 12 times x plus 4. And that should be the choice we make. Okay, so A will be the right answer. Because we choose the one is not equivalent, we not choose the one is equivalent. And we have shown that answer B, answer C, and D is equivalent to the given expressions. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.